My name's Ed Mitzner, and I'm the owner of this 1929 Henderson KJ 80 cubic inch. We're going to do a little kickstart demonstration, see if I can one-start kick it. The engine's cold. I just rolled it out of the garage. So we'll give it a, I'll kind of run through what the starting procedure is. First of all, I turn on the petcock from the gas tank. I set the carburetor just off choke. Retard the spark about halfway. Give it just a touch of throttle. I get down to look at it so I can see the butterfly opening up, and give it a and that's a one-start kick on a cold engine.